It is Hacktoberfest month and it is approaching the end of Hacktoberfest with only 48 hours to go. Have you done your 5 pull requests to get your swag? Hello? Is this working? Not plugged in. That's why it's probably not working. Doll! Do you want to join in the open source tech community? Subscribe below to follow me on hackathons, tech events, conferences. I'm in Web Summit next week, so join me there. Have you had a fun Hacktoberfest? We are coming to the end. There are 48 hours left and you've got to get your Hacktoberfest on and get those 5 pull requests done so you can get your swag. I'm wearing some swag today. You know me, I'm always wearing my swag. To contribute to an open source repository on GitHub is very, very simple, and I'm going to show you how. You find the repository on GitHub, make sure you're logged in, have a look through it, see what changes you want to make. So for example, this is a great repository by Charlotte, and I just want to change the title up here so it's not hyphenated. All you have to do is find the file. In this case it's the readme.md. Click on it and again I'll see the file in details. At the top right here, hit the edit button, hit edit, and then you just make the changes that you need to. So I'm going to remove the hyphens and add capital letters at the beginning of each word. And then you put in a proposal and it will automatically fork the project, and then you can create a pull request from it. Example, pull request for my YouTube video. It will take you to the review your changes, and you create the pull request and you hit create. Project maintainer wants to comment, they can comment here on the pull request, and also they can comment in line and say thank you or no thank you, or can you please change this. And that's it. How to make an open source pull request for Hacktoberfest in 10 seconds. If you have not completed the challenge yet, don't worry, there are still 48 hours left and you can complete it. 5 pull requests in 48 hours, no problem at all. Remember, the pull request can be anything as long as you're contributing to that project. Are you worried that your PRs are too small? Don't be. As a project maintainer, I prefer smaller PRs. As long as each PR adds value to the repository, submit it. Even if it is a typo fix, you're still adding value to that project. Don't belittle your work, every contribution helps. I will link below with some repositories of mine that are easy to contribute to and allow you to get practice to contributing. From your first pull request repository to an open source tips book. As a project maintainer, remember to be inclusive and be friendly. Use the right terminology and friendly terminology so people want to contribute to your project and come back and contribute so other people can contribute. Also, as a project maintainer, try and reply to every pull request quite quickly. Even if it is, I'll have a look tonight or I'll have a look this weekend. Because people submitting those pull requests, especially if they're new, want that quick feedback to make sure that they haven't done anything wrong, that you can see it and everything is fine. It's really good to reply and say, thank you very much, I'll have a look at the weekend. Don't forget, GitHub is like your CV, and you don't have to be a coder to get involved. I have met so many amazing people this month at events I've been to and online. One lady, you have kids, you just got into tech a month ago, and she's already completed her first week into Hacktoberfest, completed the Hacktoberfest challenge. I was in awe, I was blown away, it's amazing. You know who you are, and I want to encourage more people to do the same. So how can I help you do more contribution to the open source community? Not only will it help the community, but it will also help with your CV and help you with tech and help with your networking. So get started right now and let me know in the comments below how I can help you. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to hear more about open source, tech events, conferences, hackathons. Lots coming up. November is a busy month with Web Summit in Lisbon. I will be there and I'm going to try and vlog every day, at least 1 minute video to let you know how my day has been. Also Hack for Good at The Hague with NATO and the Red Cross is coming up in a few weeks too. It's going to be about AI and machine learning. Really excited about that. So why don't you just subscribe and join me at those events that are coming up. Enjoy the rest of Hacktoberfest. So what can I do to help you in the next 48 hours to achieve your Hacktoberfest goals? Comment below and let me know what you've contributed to or what would you like to contribute to and how I can help. Don't forget to give a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like this video. Android addition to my cushions behind me from the Women Driven Development Hackathon at Google.